Dear LLF students, dear LLF students, today onwards follow mathematics classes. So our first chapter name is real numbers. Real numbers. So it is denoted by R. It is also set of numbers. It consists of rationals and irrational numbers. Rationals and irrational numbers. See here, our chapter name is real numbers. It is denoted by R. It is set of numbers, but it consists of all rational numbers and irrational numbers. Next, rational numbers, you know that every rational number is a fraction. P by Q form. But irrational numbers are not in P by Q form. See, rational numbers are always in the form of P by Q and irrational numbers are not in the form of P by Q. That means, you know that all rational numbers are fractions and all irrational numbers are not fractions. Okay, irrational numbers cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Rational numbers can be written in the form of P by Q. Here both P and Q are integers. Q is not zero. Detailed study of rationals and irrationals in next session. Now listen about further point. That is Euclid's division lemma. It is simply division algorithm. Division algorithm, you know that division rule. Dividend algorithm means division rule. Division rule is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is division algorithm. So Euclid's division lemma also division algorithm. See here. Let A be two positive integers. There exists a pair of integers Q and R satisfying A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal to or less than B. This statement is called Euclid's division lemma. Shortly you can say that EDL statement. Once again listen about Euclid's division lemma. Let A be or any two positive integers. Then there exists a pair of integers Q and R satisfying A is equal to BQ plus R, where this R is 0 less than or equal to or less than B. That means or less than B. Example, so see here, take two positive numbers 13 and 3. Apply EDL for these two numbers. Here A is 13, B is 3. So 13 is equal to 3 into 3 divides 13 4 times. 3 4s are 12 plus remainder is 1. So this expression it is expressing in this form. A is equal to BQ plus R. So like that 42 and 16 also expressed in EDL form. 42 is equal to 16 into 16 divides how many times? 16 2s are 32. Balance is how much? 10. 16 2s 32 plus 10 42. So it is expressed in this form. A is equal to BQ plus R. Like that 50 and 23 also. 50 is A number. A is equal to 23 divides this how many times? 23 2s are how much? 46. Balance is how much? 4. 46 subtract from 50. The balance is 4. Now these pairs of numbers, positive integers, can be expressed in this form. A is equal to BQ plus R. Here R is always less than B. See here B is what? Here 3. R is less than B or not? Here B is what? 16. But R is less than B or not? R is less than B. This 10 is less than 16. This 4 is less than 23. You know? Where R for remainder. R for reminders. So the possible reminders are always less than B here. So this is how express any two positive integers in ideal form. Ideal statement form. Next, it is a technique. Ideal is a technique to find out HCF of any two positive integers. Dear students, once again see here, this ideal is a technique to find out HCF of any two positive integers. Now, how do you find out HCF of any two positive integers? Listen. See, 50 and 70. 50 and 72. These two are two positive integers. How do you find out HCF of these two numbers? By using EDL. HCF of 50 and 72. Find HCF of 50 and 72 by using EDL. See here, this is A number, this is B number. A is greater number. A is equal to 72. Yeah, Euclid's EDL is what? By applying EDL. EDL statement A is equal to always B2 plus or that 0 less than or equal to or less than B. Now here A is 72. B is 50. 72 equal to 50 into 50 divides this how many times? Just one time. So the balance is how much? 22. So 51 is 50 plus 22, totally 72. Next take this B 50. Divide with a remainder. Remainder taking as divisor here. So 22 divides this 50 how many times? 22 2s are 44. Balance is 6. Now take 22. 22 also divide with remainder 6. 6 divides how many times? 6 3s are 18. Balance is how much? 4. Balance is 4. Now take the 6. 6 is equal to divided by 4. 4 divides how many times? 1 time. The balance is 2. Now take 4 here. It divides with remainder 2. 2 divides this 2 times. The balance is 0. This process will be continued to get remainder 0 up to get remainder 0. In this case, the B value is HCF of the two numbers. When remainder is 0 case, the B value is B place value. In EDL, this B place value is HCF of the two numbers. Therefore, HCF of 50 and 72 is 2 only. Once again, one more question is 96, 70. 96 and 72. See here, 96 expressed in ideal form. 96 equal to 72 into 72 divides how many times? Maximum 1 time. So then 96 minus 72. Balance is 24. So this is 72, 172 plus 24. Total becomes 96. Then take this B value 72. This B 72. That is divide with remainder. Divide with remainder 24. 24 divides how many times? 24 3s are 72. Balance is 0. When remainder is 0 case, divisor is HCF of the two numbers. Therefore, HCF of the 96 and 72 is just 24. Just 24. It is the highest common factor for 96 and 72. Do you understand? So, dear students, EDL applied to find out HCF of any two positive integers. Any two positive integers. Next, this process will be continued to get remainder 0. In this case, only the divisor is HCF. Divisor is HCF of the two numbers. Now, see here, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. See here, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. It is one question. So applying EDL, we can show this. We can do it. So first, let a positive integer. Let A be a positive integer. Let this A be a positive integer. Then by applying EDL, A is equal to B is here 6, because here all are show with 6 multiple plus 1, 6 multiple plus 3, 6 multiple plus 5. That's why B is 6. A positive integer and A belongs to Z plus and B is equal to 6. Then A is equal to, by applying EDL, A is equal to 6q plus R. 6. A is equal to B2 plus R form. A is equal to 6q plus R. Here, EDL is A is equal to BQ plus R. Here B is 6 because this is 6q. B is 6 here. That's why 6q plus R. Where 0 less than or equal to R less than B value 6. B value 6. So reminders are less than 6. Less than 600, that means 0 to 5. 0 to 5. They are possible reminders. So possible reminders are what here? Possible reminders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are possible reminders. Then A will be, A can be, then A is, these reminders are keep in reminder place. Then A is equal to 6q plus 0. That means 6q. Or 6q plus 1. Or 6q plus 2. Or 6q plus 3. Or 6q plus 4. Or 6q plus 5. See here, our question is any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. This is show that. To show that, this is here take one positive integer, not a positive integer thing. So let A be a positive integer. By applying EDL, here B applying EDL, A is equal to B is 6 here. B is 6, 6q plus R. B is 6 here. 6, how do you take 6 here? 6 is there. So B is equal to 6Q plus R. Reminders you don't know. But here according to EDL, the reminders are less than B. Less than B means less than 6. 0 less than or equal to R or less than 6. So the possible reminders are 0 to 5 only integers. Then A will be 6Q plus 0. 6Q plus 1. 6Q plus 1 or 6Q plus 2 or 6Q plus 3 or 6Q plus 4 or 6Q plus 5. Completed. Finish this up. Now, but here this 6Q plus 2, 6Q plus 4, these three are even integers. Why? Because they are 2k form. But here 6Q plus 2 and 6Q plus 4 are even integers. Therefore, A can be of the form the remaining values 6Q plus 1 or 6Q plus 3 or 6Q plus 5. Therefore, A can be of the form 6Q plus 1 or 6Q plus 3 or 6Q plus 5. That means any positive odd integer is of the form 6Q plus 1 or 6Q plus 3 or 6Q plus 5.